Tom, I feel dizzy again.
Dizzy? Sit down, Sarah.
I don't want to eat. I'm so tired all the time.
You look pale. What's wrong?
I checked my symptoms online.
And? What did it say?
It says it could be something very serious.
Sarah, don't believe everything online.
But look at this list. It's scary.
You always worry too much.
This time feels different, Tom.
Okay, let's go see a doctor today.
Is it serious? I'm scared.
We don't know yet. Let's just go.
Good morning. How can I help you?
Hi, my wife needs to see a doctor.
Does she have an appointment?
No, we don't. Is that a problem?
It's okay. Please fill out this form.
Sure. How long is the wait?
The doctor is busy today. Many people are waiting.
Will we get to see him soon?
I'm not sure. Please take a seat.
Okay, we'll wait.
The nurse will call your name.
Thank you.
Tom, look at that poster.
Which one? The one about health?
Yes, it lists so many serious illnesses.
That's just general information, Sarah.
But dizzy and tired are on the list?
Many small problems can cause that too.
What if it's something terrible?
Please don't think like that.
I can't help it. I'm so nervous.
Take a deep breath. It will be fine.
I hope you're right.
I am. Just relax for now.
Sarah Smith?
That's us. Let's go, Sarah.
Hello, doctor. I feel dizzy and tired.
I see. Do you have a headache too?
Yes, a little, and I don't want to eat.
Let me check your temperature first.
Okay.
A little warm.
Is that bad?
Let's check a few more things. Open your mouth, please.
Like this?
Good. I see.
What do you see, doctor?
Do you sleep well at night?
Not really. I work late often.
And how much coffee do you drink?
A lot, actually. Why? Is something wrong with me? Please tell me, doctor, is it serious?
No, Sarah. It's not serious at all.
Really? But I felt so sick.
You are just very tired, and you have a small cold.
A cold? That's all?
Yes, you work late and drink too much coffee.
I do drink a lot of coffee.
And you don't eat well. Your body is tired.
Oh, I feel so relieved.
I told you not to worry too much.
I'm a little embarrassed now.
It's okay. Many people worry like you.
So what should I do now?
Rest more. Drink water, not coffee.
I will try.
Go to the pharmacy and get some medicine.
Hello, I have a prescription for my doctor.
Let me see. Okay, this is for a cold.
Yes, he said it's not serious.
That's good to hear. Take this medicine twice a day.
After meals or before?
After meals with water.
Okay, I will remember that.
Also, please rest at home for a few days.
I will try to rest more.
And less coffee, please.
Yes, the doctor said that too.
Go home and take care of yourself.
Tom, thank you for taking me today.
Of course, I was worried about you.
It was just a small cold after all.
Yes, and too much coffee.
I really thought it was something terrible.
I know, you always worry first.
It's true, I'm a little silly sometimes.
Not silly, just caring too much.
Now go to bed early tonight, okay?
That's what I want to tell you.
I will rest and drink more water.
Good, let's take care of each other.
This was a good lesson for me.
Don't be scared next time. Just talk to me first.